Hi friends, let us see today's market. We are looking at the bank nifty. We are going to see what are the opportunities the market has given today. Now this is a 5 minutes time frame setup. We are using CPR here, and we are using another indicator, that is higher high lower low strategy. Now the first 5 minutes candle here, it's a red candle. We can see when compared to the previous day low, it's opened up, gap up it has opened, and it is above the previous day high. Now if according to our strategy, if the first 5 minutes candles low is broken, we'll take a trade, we'll enter into the trade. But here there is a support, that is in the form of previous day high. So we have to one should wait till the previous day high is broken, then we can enter into the trade. According to the CPR setup, if a candle, a bearish candle, or any candle forms above the previous day high or above the resistance, it will be pulled back to the CPR. In this case, one can take a trade when the first 5 minutes candle low is broken at this point. If you are an experienced trader, you can take a trade here. And if you are new to trading, if this previous day high, that is acting as a support here, if this is broken, one can enter into the trade, and the target would be CPR levels. Or else, if you find, and the stop loss would be the high of the first 5 minutes candle, that would be our stop loss. Now when to exit? Whenever we see a red candle, the high of a red candle is broken by a green candle and you are in profit, we can exit. Say for example, at this point, maybe at this level, we can see this high is broken by this candle. So here we can exit with profit. But the thumb rule is, the CPR pulls the market, the price action comes to the CPR, and here that is what happened here. It is pulled to the CPR levels, and CPR here acted as a strong support. It acted as a strong support zone. From here we can see the market has went up. Now here there is another strategy we can apply, that is a 2:20 p.m. strategy. Exactly at 2:20, okay, this is a 2:20 candle, it's a bearish candle. If the high or low of this candle is broken, we will enter into the trade. But here the low of this 2:20 candle is broken, but the CPR is acting as a support. So whenever there is a support, immediately after the 2:20 candle, we don't enter the trade. It should be free. There should not be any support or resistance. In this case, it's broken, but there is a support in the form of CPR, so we don't enter into this trade. But look at the other green candle. It has broken the high of 2:20 candle. One can take a trade here, and we can expect the target to be previous day high. But in this case, it has broken that and it went high. The stop loss being CPR levels. This is the 5 minutes time frame. This is the 5 minutes time frame. Let's see the other way of it. Like let's see the 1 minute time frame. In 1 minute time frame, let's see how it behaves. Okay. Let's go into 1 minute time frame. Here I am using super trend indicator. Let's remove the drawings. I am using a super trend indicator and CPR. Now here let us see the first candle. Now here the buy signal has been given the previous day and it continued. Okay, so let's wait for the sell signal from the super trend. Now the sell signal from the super trend came around 9:36. So this is the point where super trend is indicating it's a sell, indicating a sell, that is we can buy P. Now we mark this level. Let's mark this level. Alt H. I'm marking the first 1 minute candle which is showing a bearish sign, where super trend is saying that the sell call. Okay, so we will buy a PE here. Now if this is broken, we should not jump into the trade. We'll wait for a retracement. Now after breaking this, it went up. It spent some time on this range for some time, and now after some time again this level is broken by this candle, by 9:44 candle. This level is broken. In fact, 9:41 candle also broken this level. One could have entered into this in this candle as well. After retracement this happened. Okay, retracement in the sense it's testing the previous day high levels. It touched and it came back. That is what I'm saying, what I'm talking about retracement. Now my stop loss would be at this level. This is my stop loss, and the target would be CPR level. CPR till CPR is my target. So whenever it touches the super trend, I will exit the trade. In fact, touching the super trend in the sense, super trend gives a buy signal. Then we exit from the trade and we book the loss there. Now let's see. What happened here. Again it tested the previous day high. Again it came back, came down, went high, came down, down, down. Now CPR, as I said, CPR is the target. It touched CPR, we exit here. In some cases we can exit at different levels, and those levels would be red candles or a green candles high. If the high is broken, then if you are in profits, then we can exit there, or we can trail the SL. If you are using a Zerodha broker, you can put the target percentage, and once you see, or you can put a stop loss percentage, and once you see that market is moving high, then you can keep on changing the SL percentage, shifting, keep it shifting 10% or 5% or 10% stop loss. So this is the way to do with the super trend indicator. Here at this point, super trend indicator is indicating a buy signal, buy call. But since it is inside the CPR, it's not advisable to take a trade here. But you can take a small trade with a small quantity, and the target would be at the previous swing, and this is the previous swing. From here it has come down, right? It's a double top. This is a double top in 1 minute time frame. From here it has come down, so these levels would be my target, and we take a mark on this. Obviously we'll wait for a retracement. Just like that, we can't jump into this trade. We'll wait for a retracement. The retracement happened, but it didn't come to our levels. But if you are a experienced trader, you can go ahead and take a trade here. But the thumb rule is, inside CPR we should never trade. That's a thumb rule. Now again, a sell call has been given by the super trend. So basically super trend works very well in the morning times once the market is opened. Let us see the previous day how the 1 minute time frame the super trend worked out. Here it's a sell call that's been continued from 15th March by super trend, and here at exactly at 9:21 super trend has given a buy call. Okay, this point. Now we should wait for the retrace. So we'll mark this level and we'll wait. If it is if it again breaks that level, we'll enter into the trade. That didn't happen here. Again, let us wait. Okay, at exactly at 9:30 a sell call has been generated by the super trend. Okay, now wait for the retracement. Retracement happened. Again these levels, I'll mark these levels. Now this level is broken. I take a trade, I enter, and my target would be S1. This is S1 support. This is my target. Done. So this is the way we can do with super trend. So basically I see two time frames. One is a 5-minute time frame and one is the 1-minute time frame. When it is with 5 minutes time frame, I check the first 5 minutes candle. If it is a gap up, looking at the trend, if the previous day trend is telling me that the market is low, it's a lower trend, then if it is a bearish market, then if it is a red candle, the first 5 minutes candle, we'll go ahead and take a trade if the first 5 minutes candle low is broken. If it is a bullish market, if the previous day market is telling me that it is a bullish market, and if a gap down happened, I will see if the first candle is a green candle. I will, if the high of the green candle is broken, I will take a trade in it, and my target would be CPR in both the cases. Okay, that is with 5 minutes. And another strategy what I use in 5 minutes is 2:20 p.m. strategy. If the 2:20 p.m. candle is broken, the high or low is broken, I enter into the trade. The conditions being there should not be any support and resistance near to it. And when it comes to the 1 minute time frame, I go with super trend indicator. If the super trend is indicating a buy signal or a sell signal, I will wait for the retracement. I will mark the high or low. If it is a green candle, I mark the high of the candle, and once the retracement happens and breaks that level, I take a buy. That is, I buy CE. If the red candle, in the case of red candle, I mark the low of the red candle. If it is a sell call from the super trend, I mark the low of the red candle. And again, if the retracement happens and the red candle low is broken, I enter into the PE. That is, I buy PE. So it is momentum that is important when we buy, when we are a buyer. When we are a seller, momentum is not required. A range bound market also will give us money, and a falling market or a rising market also will give us money, provided we take a proper trade if you are a seller. So this is my today's analysis. At least if anybody took a trade in the first 5 minutes on the first 5 minutes candle, they would have easily made 200 points. If it is for one lot, they would have easily made 5,000 rupees. At 2:20 p.m. people would have made 100 points. That would have come across at least to 2,500 rupees. So this is my today's report or analysis on the market. And tomorrow's market, let's wait and watch. We can't predict the market. It's all probability. Some say the market will gap up, some say the market will be gap down, depending upon the US markets or European markets. They come up with so many analysis. Let us not go into those things and do lot of analysis. Let us see the market this Monday, and let us work on it. And Monday market, we all know it will be a trendy market. So wish you all the best, and wait for my Monday. After the closing hours, I'll come up with my another video. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks so much.